Very cool to be here. Energy Garden is a community benefit society, so we're in London, and it's a combination of community energy. So we have a project on the rail where it generates funds to help fund our gardening, which is also on the rails. So I don't know where you all live, but there might be an energy garden near you. We have a network of about 17 gardens right now. So they're all throughout London, kind of clumped together in certain areas. But these are just pictures from 3 different ones. I didn't introduce myself, I guess. So I'm Ellen, I'm the biodiversity lead. So I've been at Energy Garden for about 2 years now. So I've been developing this role with the organization. So we're trying to really focus on generating good biodiversity data, but then also just general engagement for our volunteers and the larger community, just to learn more about biodiversity around them. So in my role, I can kind of break it out into these 3 main sections. So mostly, or one of the largest focuses is biodiversity surveys. So I've created kind of a mixed method of using the small sites metric to do habitat surveys of our spaces. And then I combine it with a plant species measure as well, just because a lot of them are quite plant species rich. And so last year was the first year that we did that, and I have a report on our website, just linked below if you wanted to take a look. I have all the data for this year, but I haven't had any time to write the report yet, so look out for that probably in the new year. And then beyond that, I do other varied community science events. So this is an image from our Bromsbury Park garden, where we did, as it's been mentioned earlier today, FIT pollinator survey. So the volunteers really enjoyed that. I do like the Big Garden Bird Watch and all those kinds of things. So if you ever have an event and you'd like a community group to participate, you can always let me know, and I can try and organize that at one of our gardens. And then also I help with all the planning. So we have 17 spaces with 17 different community groups, and they're all interested in broadly similar things, but I help facilitate the conversations. We're going into our consultation period right now to plan for next year. So lots of exciting projects on the horizon with that. This picture is from our Bush Hill Park garden, so I don't know if anyone lives near there, but this is kind of tucked in the back corner. Working on the rail, they sometimes send contractors out to do projects, and we don't get a heads up. So this was an instance where someone cut down a tree, didn't tell us, and made a big mess of the site. And the volunteers were quite upset about it, so we kind of tried to spin it and make it a positive. So as Russell was talking about the dead wood, so we made the dead wood pile there and made a little sign. We see tons of spiders using it, and so it's just a good new habitat that we've been able to create. So I think that's all I wanted to talk about for today, but if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll just be circulating around.